Hello, this is Ripunuchan Chapel from WP Theme Hut, and today we'll have a look how we can dynamic our page.php file here. And you can see here we have dynamic this header part, this menu area, and we haven't dynamic this search from because we don't have any kind of content, so search will not work here. So when we have make some content in our post, then we'll go further more. And this breadcrumb area also we don't have any kind of pages or other stuff, that's why we can't do this. And we'll do this area with our widgets area here, like in about us area, this links area, this explore area, this maps area. We'll do that later. But right now we need to know how we can dynamic a page. So like you can have here a post, you will not see a thing here, it is completely blank. And again in the sample page we are having it completely blank. So we'll today have a look how we can dynamic a page. As you can see here, this sample page, it is completely blank. And for this page from backend we are having this file here, this page.php, it is blank. That's why this this page is completely blank. So if I test it now with write some code php, then if I echo some text here like hello world and give a refresh here, you can see the hello world text is printing here in the sample page. And we are having so much pages here. You can see we are having some pages here, all of them is having this same content, because we don't have anything dynamic content here. So for dynamic this part, what we need our header and footer area first. So we will call that header and footer area in our page.php file. So for that we are having this index.php file, and in here we already called our header and PHP footer file. So we'll copy this full area and paste it here. Now if I refresh this page, this sample page, you can see the header and footer area is coming. Now inside this sample page we'll go on edit page, we can see some content here, but it is not showing here because we haven't write the perfect code for running this content in our page. So for doing that we need to write some code here, and that is if that is called a post. So each page and each post is something like a post in WordPress. So if have posts, then we will make sure that this is make sure that is there any post. So while we will use the while loop, WordPress recommend this as well. So while have posts, then the braces in, then the curly braces again start here. So if have posts, then while have posts, then it the post, the post. And for loading the content, here we'll make a doc tag load content. Here it will be the content. Okay. And WordPress recommend us while we are using this while have posts, then we need to reset our post data here. So for that there is already a built-in function that is called wp reset post data. This is the way that your this code will run your content very easily, and you can have a search on Google also to have a greater look of this have posted things and the post and the content. And this wp reset post data, as far as I know, this way is the perfect way here to load your page.php content. So if I go here right now in the sample page and give a refresh here, you can see the content is loading, and this style is coming from by WordPress default, and now it's not looking so good. So we'll give some style here by adding some div and some classes in our this area. So for that we will write some div here, div class is equal page content, page content, page content. Okay, here is single quotation, and we will give some tab here, page content. Then we will give a container here that is loading from Bootstrap, as I think you guys may have known that about the Bootstrap as well. And after the container, we will give a row here, row. So we will give some tab here again. Now what we need? We need to in this 3 div. So we will give echo div. Then we will duplicate this 2 times more here. So we have give the page content, then the container, then a row as it is. So if I go here and give a refresh, this content will come inside the container, and you can see it is perfect. And if now it's not looking that good, we need to give some space in the top and in the bottom. So I have already a class that is giving some spaces with the CSS, so that is space here for this template. So you can make this to your template to write some CSS with this space class, and then it will work in your places too. So if I give a refresh now, you can see our top and footer has some cool padding, and it is looking so nice now. So this way we can make this page.php. So now if I go any page and make a new one and give it like test page and give some content, so like image, so media library, then give the logo here, and then here again if I go and give some code text, so here it is having this one is also a code text, so I copy it and paste it here, and I can give someone name like Riponusen, and if I give a publish, then view page, then you can see this content is coming from page.php. So this way you can dynamic your page.php file easily. So thank you. We'll see you in our next episode.